Right, so this is the inside of the tent, complete. Plenty of room for 3 people actually. And I tell you what, it took a battering last night in the rain, but it stood up to it. So fair play. It does what it says on the tin, you know what I mean? No complaints at all about that. It's actually a really good setup, what the lads are doing, to be honest. They've set this tent up. They've cooked up a wicked dinner. They're over there cooking pancakes right now, believe it or not. The trek in itself, I mean, we're not that far into the jungle, to be fair. We're not that far. So, I don't know, it's a bit overpriced, but then again, that's my fault for not haggling better. So, you know, I won't say what I've paid because I think it's really too much. But having said that, they are trying to put on a lot of service. It's really good service, you know what I mean? So, it's just, I'm not very far into the jungle. Good morning, sir. You know, but like I say, the lads, they're doing a really good job. You know, I mean, all this, you know, we had a proper meal last night, sleeping in a proper tent. I'm happy with everything. But is it really jungle trekking? It's a taste of jungle trekking, yeah. Just go there and haggle hard if you're gonna do it. Haggle like a bastard. I didn't do it. I'm getting shit at it as I get older. I just start thinking, well, it's cheap enough, and I fucking pay it. You know what I mean? But anyway. Oh yeah, I'll show you this as well from yesterday. That's my socks. You see all that blood over my socks? It's from leeches. I don't know how they get inside my fucking socks, but they did. So anyway, he's got the eggs out there, they got the rice over there. I think it's going to be another fantastic breakfast coming up. Looking forward to it. There's one jumping through the trees. I see him. Which one is it? Oh yeah.
This one, Thomas Leaf monkey.
Thomas Lead.
Yeah.
side, we've seen a few of these, what is it, Thomas leaf?
Yes, Thomas Lee.
And maybe now we've seen quite a lot of these, right? Is it the most common monkey in here? Most often you see this one?
Yeah, this one for Thomas Lee maybe in macaque.
Yeah.
They seem like macaque. This one macaque black, no black but white color.
Mm.
And this one white and black color.
Yeah, but this one is, we can see many, right?
Yeah, but this one become group, you know.
Oh, always a group.
The group become.
Okay.
So climbing the tree, by training tree, by the eat the fruit.
Are they family or they're just
Yes,
friends?
your family.
Yeah.
Family.
But we see one orangutan, right, by the road,
Yeah,
you know, the first one. But we didn't see any more yesterday, right, in the
Yes.
jungle. Is there not many orangutan?
But many orangutan, but no guarantee by you see orangutan in jungle. But,
Yeah.
in the tree no have fruit.
Yeah, yeah,
But I can see, but in the village
yeah.
have many fruit. Maybe later I can see for the orangutan.
Yeah, I hope so. But you told me about the tiger, right? Maybe only 200-300 in the jungle. How many orangutan?
Yeah, so many I know.
Really, still
Yeah,
have
so
many,
many.
okay.
So many.
Well, hopefully we find some today. There's a lot of these up here. Must be 5 or 6, I think. Ones keep appearing from other branches, climbing across sneakily, peeking through the trees. It's cute. He's giving me the wanker sign up there. Going like that. You want some? You want some? I'll give it you. You want some? Right, it is becoming blatantly obvious that I'm not gonna catch any monkeys on film. I've just had a whole family of them over here, right, playing right here. I was down there and I fucking made my way slowly and slipperily up to here, and obviously they're all gone. They went off in the trees a bit there. But you see a bit of movement in the trees there? That's a bit of monkey activity, I would say, because there was a load of them over here, about 5 or something, various sizes, family. Yeah, I had a good one over here, but the sound of my voice has fucking scared it off as well. It was a tiny, tiny frog. Honestly, it was about that big, but it was a fully developed frog. You know, well, you know, in form, it looked like a frog anyway. This is going to be like the legendary all-time travel documentary where the host knows nothing about the destinations and just explains experiences that he had and animals that he saw in the jungle. It's going to be fucking television gold, I tell you. YouTube gold, as the case may be. 1 million subscribers, if not more. Scorpion. Scorpion. This little fucker's not shy at all. He's coming right down into the food. Oh, bastard. Right, still no sign of an orangutan. I think I've heard one moving through the trees, and we've just heard the old hornbill making a racket, but I can't fucking see the cunts. So loads of the little ones, but nothing big yet. That's I got one. One orangutan. Hello, Pat. I wonder how many years it's taken for this to come all this way. Twist all around like that. Twist everywhere. All the way up through there. Oh, a little squirrel there. It's amazing to think, really. While all this was happening, what was happening in the rest of the world? Was the rest of the world even there? Right, in lieu of spotting any orangutan, I've decided to get on the sauce instead. We've got the jungle juice here. What is it? Tuak. Tuak, yeah. It's naturally produced. The Bataks make it actually. They're Christian people that live in North Sumatra. A lot of them around Danau Toba, which is a nice spot to visit, a good backpacking spot. Yeah, it's alright actually, it's quite mild, it does the job. Now, I haven't seen orangutan, I just want to speak to this guy just to prove that they are out here. Bro, what's your name and where are you from?
My name's Andrew, I'm from Los Angeles.
Okay, Andrew, I believe you've spotted 1 or 2 orangutan, yeah?
Yeah, we saw a mother and child this morning, and then another mother and child yesterday afternoon, and then a group of 5 of them yesterday morning.
Yeah.
By the road where you saw.
Yeah, the one.
And the black gibbon.
And the black gibbon.
Yeah.
So they are out here, you know, they're around, but as usual, I'm having no luck. Like, there's so many things. Now, you're having a good bit of lunch there as well.
No?
And what we got going on over here? Oh yeah, what's it, telur dadar? Yeah, bit of an omelette over there. Alright, so lunchtime. I'm going to keep drinking and hopefully it will spur me on in the search for orangutan.